Hi friends, welcome to Kinderfield Highfield Indonesia YouTube channel. My name is Miss Tiwi and I'm going to show you how to make something that I'm sure you are all familiar with. It is squishy and stretchy. Can you guess what it is? It is slime! It is not just a regular slime, it is a galaxy slime, full of colors and stars. Playing with slimes is a kind of sensory activity that helps you engage with senses and stimulates the creativity, and of course, it has a calming effect. Here are the tools and materials to make slime. We need glitter glue. I have 3 colors over here, blue, purple, and pink. And we need magical liquid, baby oil, stars glitter, and 3 containers. Now, are you ready to make the slime? Let's make it. First, you need to add the glitter glue into a bowl. I'm going to pour it there. Oh. I choose the blue color. You have to squeeze the bottle a little so the glue can come out. Okay, I think it's enough. One more squeeze. Okay. And then you need to pour magical liquid. Let's pour a little. Oh, I think I need more. And then I think I need a spoon to stir the glitter glue and the magical liquid. Where is the spoon? Here it is. So stir the glue glitter and the liquid, magical liquid. Mix it well. Stir it well. Okay, after we mix it, we add stars. Ooh. And then mix it again. Choose another 2 colors and do the same with another bowl. Now we are going to wait and let them set for a while. Now all the slimes are ready. Let's mix them together to create a galaxy slime. Ooh. Let's stretch it. So you will have the galaxy effect. Ooh, it's so gooey. I can stop squishing it. Now I understand why you love playing with slime. It is very addicting. You can make your own slime at home, but make sure that you have supervision from an adult. Let's share and learn in fun learning with Kinderfield Highfield School. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you.